Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use and customize your Object Snap cursor shortcut keys. That is short for your Shift right click Object Snap menu. My name is Matt. I'm with Quick Save Productions, where we teach AutoCAD skills to civil engineers. Let's get started. To start with, let's go ahead and create a polyline. We're going to want to snap that to the endpoint. There are many different ways to snap it to the endpoint. What I like to do is Shift right click and it brings up this menu. Now you can scroll down and select any of these that you would like, or you can simply type the letter to which the object snap is associated. For endpoint, let's go ahead and type E. That's going to snap us to the endpoint. Shift right click. Let's look at this lovely legend over here. We're going to select M for midpoint, and it's going to go to our midpoint. And there are a variety of different ones you can choose. You can choose all of them, actually. And that is how the Object Snap cursor shortcut key works. Now what I'd like to show you is how to customize them for your own personal use. For my own personal use, I use D for midpoint, and I use T for perpendicular, as they are not far to reach for my left hand. In fact, they're right there. So to do that, we're going to go up here and we're going to scroll over to our Manage tab. I'm going to come down here to Customization, and we're going to click CUI, or Custom User Interface. From here, we're going to scroll down to the shortcut menus. I'm going to open up this. We're going to go to Object Snap Cursor menu. We're going to expand that. Now you can see all of your object snaps listed here as you see them here in this pull down menu you get when you shift and right click. We're going to update these 4 that I have listed that are highlighted. We're going to start with midpoint here. I would like that to be D instead of M. So we're going to find our midpoint over here. It takes a second to load, and it comes up here. Now you're going to come over to the properties. Under display name, we're going to go over here. Now the key to this is understanding what makes the letter associated with the command, and it is the ampersand over here. So the ampersand is in front of whichever letter will be associated with the OnSnap command. So over here, the ampersand or and sign is in front of the M. I would like it to be in front of the D. So I'm just going to delete it, move over here, and put an ampersand in front of the D. Now, as you can see over here, node is already D. So to not have 2 be the same, I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to go to node. Now node, I don't want to be D. I don't use it that often. I would like it to be V, because I still want to use it, but not that often. Now I'm going to come up here to, I want to do perpendicular to T, but point filters is already T, so I'm going to change point filters to P. And that one's right here in front of the T, so I'm going to delete that. Come over here, put an ampersand, and it's just going to be P from now on. Now my perpendicular, it's P right now. Now there's no T in perpendicular, so I'm just going to put a T in front of the ampersand, and we are done. Easy as that. Click OK, and now you are ready to OnSnap with your customized keystrokes. So let's go ahead and try that. Polyline, enter, shift right click. Let's go with D for midpoint. Let's see, and it is snapping to the midpoint. Now we're going to go shift right click T for perpendicular, and there you have it. You have just learned how to use your Object Snap cursor shortcut keys, and you've learned how to customize them to your own personal needs. Thanks for watching. If you like this content and want to see more, be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or comments, or if you'd like to see any more videos and what you would like to see. As always, have a great day and be amazing.